Disclaimer: I am not a doctor or a physical therapist. As a runner, dancer, and tennis player, I have dealt with pain and I used these techniques to get rid of the pain.
Hello friends, welcome back. Today's video is all about managing your pain. Just so you know that I am not a physical therapist or a doctor, but I have tried these techniques over the years and they have helped me relieve the pain. You will need a cold pack and a massage roller, which could be substitute for everyday rolling pin. And please make sure that you have a hard surface to perform these pain relieving techniques.
Please watch this video till the end for the bonus exercise.
Now I would like to describe the difference between a cold pack and a heat pack. Heat pack is used to get your blood flowing when you are not in a state of motion. Conversely, a cold pack is used to decrease the inflammation or pain such as in your knees, shoulders, elbows, and so forth. Make sure that you use a cloth between your skin if you're using a cold pack for maximizing the effectiveness. Now let's move on to massage roller or a rolling pin. There are many reasons that people develop pain in their muscles. However, one of the most common reasons is the lactic acid. So now I'm going to show you how to use the rolling pin or the massage roller on you. Preferably, it's better to have someone do it on you because they can apply a little bit more pressure. But if you don't have someone, but you can do it on your own.
The effective way is if someone is there to help you use the roller to relieve you from the pain of tight muscles, muscle spasm, or even the trigger points in the muscle. If you're using the roller for the first time, start out gently and then have them use a little bit pressure. Make sure to use roller up and down on the muscle. Do not use the roller on the bone, it's very painful. If you have pain in your IT band, roller is the best way because when you apply the pressure, it's going to release the lactic acid from your IT band. Now, I'm going to show you how to use the roller all by yourself. Take the roller and apply the pressure that you can handle, rolling up and down on the muscle as many times as you wish. Being a runner, I have tight hamstrings and I have to use a roller almost 2 to 3 times a week. As you can see, you can use the roller on your IT band, on your thigh, inside your thigh. Basically, it's a very important tool to get relief from the pain. Due to the ballistic moves during the dance routines, as well as playing tennis, I experienced the pain in back of my knee. So before and after the activities, I stand on the stair or on the step stool and keep one foot planted on the step and keep half of the foot on the step and stretch. It's the most easiest and effective way to get rid of the pain. There are many other stretches that can help you, but these are tried and tested and has worked for me.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video with anyone who benefits from this pain relief technique. See you next time. Bye.